Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I have my Mr. Hubster here helping me take out these nails out of this old pallet that we already had just laying around. I was saving it for a project like this, and so it's going to be perfect for my fall DIY sign project. And so he's just removing all the nails so that we can go ahead and get started with making these nice wood signs. Okay, I'm just laying the pumpkin on the wood to check for size here. Okay, now Mr. Hubster is just cutting our boards down to the right size that we need to make our two signs. Okay, so Mr. Hubster is now attaching the backing boards to the back of our wood signs to hold everything together. So here we are, we have our pumpkin and our leaf shape set out on these two wood signs, and they fit perfectly. Okay, now Mr. Hubster is going to sand them down for us and just make them smooth, and I am spray painting around the leaf and the pumpkin shaped stencil. These I purchased last year at Big Lots. I'm just using what I already had. Okay, I love how these turned out. I'm done spray painting. I used a paint from Walmart, an indoor-outdoor paint, and I love the shape of this leaf and pumpkin and how the weathered pallet wood is just peeping through here. And you can also purchase these shapes at your Dollar Tree. I'm just using what I had left over from last year that I had purchased from mine from Big Lots. Okay, Mr. Hubster is just drilling 2 holes in each of these signs. Okay guys, so the next step in this project, this DIY, is to paint these metal words. I bought 2 of these packages, and there comes 3 to a pack. I got them at the Dollar Tree for $1. Great price on those, and I think they're going to work great for this DIY project. I'm going to be spray painting them black with this Walmart spray paint. It's just the Walmart brand spray paint, and in a flat black. And I like the metal, the silver, the way it is, but it's just not going to stand out enough on these wood signs. So I think the black is going to make it pop and stand out better for this project. So here we go. Okay guys, here is the finished product. After I have attached these, and I used rope. I'll show you the rope I used, and I also just tied a simple ribbon, made a bow here at the top. Here is how the other one turned out, and I just used the E6000 to attach the wording on here. And that works really well with metal and wood, and you can purchase this probably just about anywhere, but this one I purchased mine at Walmart, and I just used some ribbon that I already had, and I used some rope that I already had, and I also purchased this at Walmart. So I just tied a big enough knot here so that the knot wouldn't pull through the holes that my husband drilled here. And so yeah, that was it guys. That was a pretty quick and fast easy DIY project, and thank you to my Mr. Hubster who helped me with this DIY project. Thanks honey, and I am very pleased with how this turned out. And so stay tuned, keep watching if you want to see where I end up putting the 2 of these cutie patooties. All right, guys.